Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add link on your TikTok bio. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and here you can see the option of edit profile. Click on that option, and here you can see the option of website. Click on that option. And so I'm going to add a link to show you. Okay, then you need to click on save on the right top, and here you can see that the link is added, and once you click on that link you will redirect to that page. But let me show you my another account, on which account I have less than 1000 followers, but on that account I do not have this option, so you need to wait to complete 1000 followers, and once you have 1000 followers you can easily add link to your that account. So let me show you here in my this account. You can see the edit profile, and there you can see that there is no option to add link, so you need 1000 followers on TikTok to add the link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.